G650D is the industry standard for long-haul and access networks, known for its low cost and high performance. G657A, the bend-insensitive fiber, is designed for tighter bends, making it ideal for high-density FTTH installations. While they are compatible, splicing G650D and G657A can result in slight splice loss due to mode field diameter mismatch. Always ensure your Fusion Splicer is set to a program that accounts for these differences to maintain optimal signal integrity. While features like the Smart Reel provide immediate access for testing and inventory, the ferrule interface remains exposed to environmental factors and handling. Protective caps are only a first line of defense, as microscopic debris or oils can still accumulate during transport. Therefore, operators must establish a strict habit of inspecting and cleaning ferrules before every connection to prevent signal degradation and protect the glass interface from permanent damage. Many users clean but fail to verify. Visit our webpage and follow us on social platforms for more information.